Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Cat S53. To do this, you will need to open a settings. Right here, scroll down to the bottom and enter system. Inside you should find the gestures, and now let's check how all of them work. First one is quickly open camera. To quickly open camera, press the power button twice. Works from any screen, so that means you can use it on lock screen or when your phone is unlocked. And let's try to do that. As you can see, camera pops up. Next feature is system navigation, and here you can choose to use gesture navigations or three buttons navigation. If you choose gesture navigation, you can navigate through your phone using different gestures. There's many of them, and I would make a whole new video about it. But simple gestures are if you want to, for example, open a home screen, then scroll up. If you want to go back, go from the left of your phone with a finger. And if you want to open all running apps, then swipe up like this. And if you prefer three buttons, then you can click on that, and three buttons will show up at the bottom to navigate through your phone. Next is prevent ringing, and here if you enable it, you can use power and volume up together to either make your phone vibrate or mute. And it works like this. And to mute it, do it like this. Next up is power menu, and here if you click on that, you can enable show device controls. To access controls for connected devices, hold the power button, or lock screen sensitive content, show controls when unlocked, and that goes for any accessories that you use with your phone. And I don't have any right here, so I can't show you exactly, but simply hold the power key and a little menu should pop up that allows you to control your devices. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.